All right, guys, tonight we're going to talk about Hurricane Melissa. They'll tell you it's climate change. They want you to think everything that's going on in this world is your fault. What they don't want to talk about is geoengineering and weather modification and changing the global electric circuit. Well, tonight we're going to discuss a little bit of that. What's up, Skywatchers? What is up indeed? Sunday, October 26, 2025. All right, guys, let's talk about Hurricane Melissa, the engineered storm. Right now, I'm watching Hurricane Melissa carve across the Caribbean, a storm that grew from a Category 1 to a Category 4 in less than a day. That kind of jump used to be impossible. Now it's becoming routine. When patterns repeat, I start asking why. On radar, you can watch the beam sweeping south to west, pulsing through the core of the eye wall. Most people call those normal scans. I call them fingerprints of the global grid. The global electric circuit connects every storm, every tower, every ionospheric heater in one continuous current between the earth and the sky. Feed energy into that circuit at the right moment, and a tropical cyclone turns into a resonant chamber. The atmosphere amplifies the push. Across the planet stand instruments that can inject high-frequency or microwave power directly into the atmosphere. Phased array radars, ionospheric heating transmitters, klystron relays, lasers, each of them interacts with water vapor and aerosols. When a storm passes through that environment, the added charge and localized heating can accelerate updrafts, drop central pressures, and lock rotation into symmetry. It doesn't create the storm, it times the ignition. This work has been documented in smaller versions: silver iodide seeding in Project Storm Fury, the Rainmaker operations in Texas, and microwave-driven rainfall experiments in China. Scale those same mechanics up, and the rapid intensification stops looking mysterious. It looks engineered. During Melissa's climb, lightning exploded over 1,000 strikes per hour inside the core. Now that's not random chaos, it's electricity in overdrive. When the global electric circuit resonates, the storm becomes the discharge path. Every flash in the sky is equalizing the potential across charged vortex. It's the visible evidence that energy coupling is happening right now. Melissa is holding as a high-end Category 4. An eye wall replacement cycle may be starting. That could ease winds briefly, but it'll make the storm larger once the new wall closes. When it completes, intensification could resume, possibly to a Category 5. At that point, the difference between 155 and 160 mile-an-hour winds is academic. The destruction is total. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has urged everyone in Jamaica to take final precautions. Hundreds of shelters are opened, airports are closed, and the forecast calls for up to 30 inches of rain and possibly more. Now, the power could be out for weeks, maybe months. The island is about to face a humanitarian crisis unseen in its modern history. My heart is with everyone there. Whatever the deeper mechanics, the suffering is real. The sky has become the laboratory of our age. We are living inside of an atmosphere that's being tuned like an instrument. The question isn't if it's happening, it's how much are we willing to see. Okay, Skywatchers, stay aware, be prepared, and until next time, keep looking up.